Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to Audiorista's Quick Start videos. In this session, we'll explore how to customize your app's styling, including the color scheme. Head over to the styling section by clicking on My App in the left-hand menu and then Styling. On the left, you'll see various styling options, and on the right, you'll see a live preview of your changes. There are three main areas. The first is Elements, which controls the size and roundness of different items in the app. Carousel Height adjusts how large or small artworks appear on the browse screen. Lower values make them smaller, and higher values make them bigger. The Corner Radius sets the roundness of larger elements. 0 means sharp corners, and higher numbers create more rounded edges. Corner Radius Small does the same thing, but for smaller elements. Next is the Appearance section. If you're using a dark color scheme, choose Dark, which turns the device's icons white for contrast. For a light scheme, choose Light, which makes the icons black. If you want your app to switch automatically based on the user's device settings, select Automatic. This setting is what you also need to have selected if you want to offer both a light and dark mode for your app. Finally, let's talk about the color section, which offers a lot of options for customizing your app's look. The defaults here are based on the choices you've made during the setup wizard, but you can change them whenever you want. I'd like to highlight some important ones. And if you need more details, please visit our Help Center article on color settings. To adjust your app's background colors, focus on the backdrop color and the bar color. When changing these, you can use the color picker to sample from a design document or manually enter RGB, HSL, or hex values. For example, I'm going to make the background sandy by entering its hex value for backdrop color and then clicking Save at the bottom right. Notice how the preview on the right updates immediately. Next, I'll check the preview app to see how it looks. It's fine, but I also want the bottom tab bar to match. So I'll use the color picker to sample the sandy color from the backdrop and save it again. Let's take another look in the preview app. Now both the background and tab bar match nicely. Another set of important colors includes primary color, which determines the color for headers, progress bars, and the selected tab icon in the bottom navigation. Then there's backdrop on, which is used for much of the text, such as descriptions. Adjusting these ensures your app's interface stays consistent and on brand. If you want to support a true dark mode that follows the user's device settings, open the drop-down at the bottom of the colors section to reveal a second set of color values. Then open the preview to dark mode on the right to see how it looks. That covers the essentials of the styling section. Feel free to explore and experiment with these settings to make the perfect look for your app. If you need more information, check out our Help Center. Thank you for watching.